How to sign in to OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to sign in using your old account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this. Now to sign in, simply tap onto your email or phone number right here. Just like this. Then tap onto this arrow. Now simply enter your password. And now you can see you have simply signed in. And that's it. This is how you can sign in to OneDrive account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.